Hi guys, how to get super low ping on Roblox. Now click the Wi-Fi icon in the bottom right of your taskbar, then select Properties to open the network settings page. This first step is easy, but missing it means nothing else will work. Scroll down to the DNS server assignment section. It's usually set to automatic by default. Here's the secret step. Click the Edit button to open the settings window. Keep watching because the next toggle is where most people get stuck. In the pop-up window, change the drop-down menu from automatic to manual. Then toggle the IPv4 switch to on. This reveals the address boxes where the real magic happens. In the preferred DNS box, type 8.8.8.8. In the alternate DNS box, type 8.8.4.4. These are Google's public DNS addresses, and they're way faster than your default ISP settings. Click the Save button. Don't forget this step or nothing will apply. Now go back to Roblox and press Shift plus F3 to check your new lower ping.